Do you like watching random people open random things? Well, you're in luck. Well, if you like electronics or repair stuff, you might like a few things that I've got in this couple of packets from AliExpress. Nothing too exciting. Let's have a look and see what we've got. The usual crushed box. I said it was not very exciting, and it definitely isn't very exciting. It's a 2.5-inch drive holder for Dell Optiplex. So I can put an extra drive in one of the Optiplex machines. Well, what else have we got? We have got... yes. Some Upsiren UCP-8. A couple of finger condoms. And a spatula. So this is supposed to be really good for replacing thermal putty on graphics cards and things like that. So I thought I would give it a try. Because I've got loads of pads, but I don't really have any putty. So I thought I'd get some of this. Ugh. Doesn't smell very nice. What's it like? It's pokey. Yep, that's putty, alright. Excellent. That shall come in very handy. Right, next on the list. Put that away. We have another bag. I should try not to cut whatever's in it. Oh, okay, these are like little probes. So you can basically like hook wires and things like that. And this one's got like a little round divot. On the other end there is a sharp, very sharp needle probe. Just random things that came up on my AliExpress feed. I thought I'd buy them because you can never get too many odd probes and things like that. Oh, okay, these are tips because I keep wanting something to cover the needles on my flux and my little bottles and things like that. So I think I've got two sizes of these. I think this is a smaller one. That should go on top of there, yeah. There we go. Got a bag of those. And I think the other one is just a bigger size. Yeah, those are the bigger ones. Not sure what this is, it's very flat. Oh, okay. This is a Relife carbon fiber non-magnetic disassembly tool. I just see these things, that looks interesting, so I bought it. So yeah, that does look like carbon fiber, or a good representation. And it's basically a spudger. Yet another opening tool to add to the collection. I shall try and let you know how it works out. Right, what is here? Yes, I have a tweezer problem. I think it's James's fault. James from JFix. He keeps making me buy all these tweezers. Still hunting for the tweezer. No, I think we just have different tweezers to do different things, and I am quite happy to try them all. Oh yeah, this one is one with some weird angled tips that you can get underneath something, pull it up. I thought that looked a bit different to the normal ones. So basically you can go underneath a chip or something like that to lift it up. On here they show it removing two phone boards, pulling them apart. Motherboard layered dedicated, extra hard. Right, what next? These have been sitting here a while, so it is kind of like Christmas because I've kind of forgotten what I ordered. Ah yes, I needed some of these, so I decided to get a few of them. These are just screw terminals which are through hole, go in the circuit boards, you know, when they get burnt up and stuff like that, broken. Because I seem to be getting more and more industrial electronic stuff, so those shall come in handy. Ah yes, I don't know who's going to have the bigger tweezer collection. It'll probably be James or myself. And yet another tweezer, the AM133, and that is yet another angled tip. Still looking for the perfect angle one. Right, what next? Oh, there's some more of those screw terminals. That's 2 terminal one. The others were 3 and 4 terminal. And what have we got in here? Curved and straight. You'll never guess what's in here. Well, you probably have an idea because, you know, it's either curved or straight. Tweezers! Who would have imagined? Never would have guessed. Crazy, right? Oh, wonder what's in this one. Tweezers again! So these are the ceramic ones from Mechanic. And yes, it's James's fault that I went and bought these. These are pretty good because they're non-conductive and very high temperature, so they won't deform and get weakened. And they're supposed to be really precision ones for putting jumper wires and things like that on. So I shall have a look and let you know what those are like. And we are now on to the final bag. Oh yeah, this is definitely James's fault. This is a little switch well, two switches, a reset switch and a power switch, and that goes with some indicator lamps for the power and hard drive, and that will go on standard motherboard I/O pins, and then you can basically turn the motherboard off and on, reset it, which is useful if you are doing repair work. Very useful. Zoom that in a bit. It's a bit late for that now, but let's zoom it in. Yeah, cool. I shall add it to my box of bits. And here we have... okay. I think these are the chips. Yes, I think that's it. So these are the replacement chips I got for the Intel NUC that I posted a video on. There was a burnt chip on there, so hopefully we can get that working again. Fingers crossed. I'm not sure whether we will or not, but we can try. Right, what else do we have? Oh, okay. This, I believe, is a crystal frequency counter. So if I understand this right, you can put a crystal in here and it will tell you the frequency of the crystal, which might be useful. You know, random stuff like that. What is this? And this is power switch. Okay. Alright, sometimes I get computers, desktop PCs with cases that are perfectly fine, but the power button has gone. So I got a couple of these. I believe this is, it's the momentary switch, and it has illumination on the button. So you've got power and the LED, and I could just drill a hole or remove the existing switch and put that in. It's a nice metal bodied switch with a nut. It's not too big, so you don't have to drill a big hole. That will be perfect. I think I got possibly two different colors. Yeah, this one's got an illuminated ring around the edge. Again, another metal switch. So that one's got a power symbol. This one's just got a ring. Can't remember if I got green or orange or something. I can't remember now. What's there now? Green, yeah. Cool. That will be very useful. And what is this? What is this? What do we have here? Oh, I think I know what this is. A project box. I think it's a project box. Yes, it is. I think this is just ABS plastic. Nothing exciting. With an angled front. I just wanted something that I could put some meters in. Oh, it comes with screw holes, but I didn't see any screws. Oh, it's in another packet. screws and feet. Yeah, should be good. So I want to put a voltmeter and stuff like that on it so that I can test laptops. Yeah, just probably never get around to doing it. One more project that is on the shelf to do but may not be done. I don't know. I'm just terrible at doing these things, finishing stuff. And I think that is it. Yep. Well, I hope you enjoyed this random unpacking, unboxing, whatever you want to call it. Until the next AliExpress package. Thank you for joining me. Bye.